Hello, Laguna Woods. I have a message for you from across the pond. Here it is. In light of your failure in recent years to nominate competent candidates for the President of the United States, and thus to govern yourselves properly, we hereby give you notice of the revocation of your independence, effective immediately. Her Sovereign Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II, will, as of this date, resume monarchical duties over all states, commonwealths, and territories. Well, except Kansas. She doesn't fancy Kansas. Anyway, your new Prime Minister, Theresa May, will appoint a governor for America without the need for further elections. And a questionnaire may be circulated next year to determine it, if any of you have noticed. To aid in the transition to the British Crown dependency, the following rules are introduced with immediate effect. Now, first, July the 4th will no longer be celebrated as a holiday. Number two, you will learn to resolve personal issues without using guns, lawyers, or therapists. And the fact that you need so many lawyers and therapists shows that you're not adult enough to be independent. Guns should only be handled by adults. If you are not adult enough to sort these things out without suing someone or speaking to a therapist, then you are not grown up enough to handle a gun. Therefore, we will no longer be allowed to carry or own anything more dangerous than a vegetable peeler. Incidentally, a permit will be required if you wish to carry a vegetable peeler in public. Number four, you will learn to make real chips. Those things called French fries are not real chips. Number five, Hollywood will be required occasionally to cast British actors as good guys, and will also be required to cast English actors to play English characters. You know, watching Andy McDowell attempt an English dialogue in 4 weddings and a funeral was an experience akin to having your ears removed with a cheese grater. Anyways, number 6, you will cease and desist playing American football. There is only one kind of proper football. You call it soccer. Football is a game where the ball is played with the foot. Those of you brave enough will in time learn to play rugby, which has some similarities to American football, but does not include stopping for a rest every 20 seconds or wearing full Kevlar body armour like a bunch of Nancies. And frankly, we suggest you don't try rugby against the South Africans and the Kiwis, because they will thrash you like they regularly thrash us. Further, you will stop playing baseball. It's not reasonable to host an event called the World Series for a game that is not played outside of America. You will learn cricket, and we will let you face the South Africans first to take the sting out of their deliveries. Number 8, daily tea time begins promptly at 4 p.m. with proper cups and saucers, never mugs, and it's accompanied by high-quality biscuits, or you may know them as cookies, and cakes, plus strawberries and cream when in season. There will be more to follow in due course. In the meantime, God save the Queen.